So it's important to do facial massage, which I think a lot of the people already know that, where they check into the side of the cheek. Yeah, hi. Does that feel good? Do little circles by the ear, up into the temporalis muscle here on the head. How does that feel? Pretty good, huh? You love your massages? Yeah. Holding the hand on the head and just helping blood come into the forebrain there, that helps with relaxation. And then I'm just applying light pressure onto the roof of the mouth and then just holding there.
She actually loves that.
Some babies, they gag when you put anything on the roof of their mouth. And right now she's chomping down a little bit with her jaw. Is that what she does when she feeds? Is she kind of clamps down? Is that what you notice on the breast?
Yeah.
Because her jaw is tight.
Mm-hmm.
It's
okay. But it's getting better. Like, it's not as bad as before, like, before the procedure.
Checking into your cheeks. There. Does that feel funny? There you go. Yeah, as her tongue strengthens, then the jaw and the cheeks will not be doing the job that the tongue should be doing. So therefore, it won't be as bad there.